Hey, welcome back. So today, healthcare providers and patients in Georgia, they testified in front of Senator Jon Ossoff's Human Rights Subcommittee hearing.
Now, they discussed some of the challenges that they say they face since Georgia's heartbeat law went into effect in 2022.
11 Alive's Karis Belger joining us right now. So we know that both patients and doctors, they had a lot to say in this hearing.
They certainly did. We heard from doctors who talked about some of the challenges that they have been facing in trying to determine if they can even treat a patient based on how far along they are in their pregnancy. And some women described weighing their options when faced with pregnancy complications. One woman who testified was Mackenzie Kullick. She testified that she developed complications during her second trimester. She later testified that for her specific case, she did not qualify for the medical exemptions allowed for an abortion as outlined in Georgia's heartbeat law.
If I had not been able to travel out of state, I would have been forced to carry a non-viable pregnancy until the baby died in utero. Or I would have developed an infection that threatened my health enough to qualify for an intervention.
Now, Georgia's heartbeat law outlaws abortions in most cases after a heartbeat can be detected, typically around 6 weeks into a pregnancy. In July, 11 Alive's Zach Merchant sat down with Georgia House Speaker John Burns about a number of issues affecting Georgians, including the heartbeat law. Here's what he had to say when asked if he supported this law.
I support the right to life, and I believe we've struck a balance here that is, the heartbeat bill is not satisfactory for those who believe that life begins at the point of conception. We understand that. I understand that, but we also have, we also know that there are other folks that think abortion could occur at any time during a pregnancy, even up to the point of birth. And I certainly very vehemently disagree with that.
This is the second hearing Senator Jon Ossoff has held in Georgia to hear testimony from a variety of experts and Georgia residents this summer. The last hearing took place in July.
Certainly an important topic for so many people living here in Georgia. Karis, thank you so much for that breakdown. We do have more on what the senators heard during the last month's hearing on our website, 11alive.com. You can go there and get the latest.